I am a student. Every day, I go through a routine that helps me to manage my studies, my personal life, and staying healthy. My routine is like a smooth running engine that helps me stay organized and reach my goals. My day starts early. I wake up at 6 a.m., feeling refreshed and energized after a good night's sleep. The first thing I do is stretch my body and take a deep breath, preparing myself for the day ahead. Then, I get out of bed and make my bed, a simple task that helps me to start my day with a sense of accomplishment. After making my bed, I head to the bathroom to freshen up and get ready for the day. I brush my teeth, take a quick shower, and get dressed in my school uniform. As I tie my shoelaces, I mentally go through my schedule for the day, making sure I haven't forgotten anything important. I check my backpack to see if I have all my books and necessary supplies. I head downstairs to the kitchen, where my mom has already prepared a nutritious breakfast for me. I usually have a bowl of oatmeal with some fresh fruits and a glass of milk. Eating a healthy breakfast is essential for me as it gives me the energy I need to stay focused and alert throughout the day. Next, I pack my lunch and put it in my backpack. I also pack some snacks to munch on during my breaks. With my backpack on my shoulder, I bid goodbye to my family and head to school. I live close to my school, so I usually walk there. It saves money and helps me stay healthy. Walking to school is also good for the environment because it helps reduce pollution from cars. Plus, it gives me time to enjoy the fresh air and clear my mind before starting my day. Overall, walking is a simple and beneficial way to start my mornings. As I reach school, I greet my friends and make my way to the classroom. I am the type of student who likes to arrive early to class to avoid the morning rush and settle down comfortably. I take out my planner and quickly go through my timetable to see what classes I have for the day. I also use this time to review any notes or assignments that I may have missed. And if I have any questions about the upcoming lessons, I jot them down in my planner to ask my teachers later. First period is English class, and it's my favorite subject. My teacher is funny and passionate, which makes the class fun. I participate in class discussions and take notes attentively. We talk about cool books and stories, and my teacher lets us share our ideas. Sometimes, we play games to practice English. I love English class because it's where I feel creative. After English, I have math, which is not my strongest subject, but I still try my best and ask for help when needed. During math class, I pay extra attention and take thorough notes to understand the concepts better. If I have trouble with a problem, I'm not afraid to ask my teacher or classmates for assistance. I also practice math problems at home to reinforce what I've learned in class. During my break, I catch up with my friends, share snacks, and talk about the latest happenings. We also discuss our plans for the weekend and make arrangements to hang out together. After the break, I have science, followed by history. Both subjects are fascinating, and I love learning about the world around me and the events that shaped our past. When school is done, I put my stuff in my bag and go home. I say goodbye to my friends and teachers before leaving for home. After school, I might have fun things like music lessons or sports practice. When I'm done, I make my way back home to relax. It's nice to have some time to relax after a busy day at school. After I get home, I take a short break and eat a snack to get my energy back. Then, I begin doing my homework and assignments. I like to get my homework done early, so I have enough time to relax and unwind before bedtime. I start with the easier tasks first to warm up. As I work, I make sure to take breaks to stretch and relax my mind. My parents always emphasize the importance of balancing academics and personal time, and I try my best to follow their advice. After completing my homework, I have dinner with my family. We talk about our day, share interesting stories, and laugh a lot. I am grateful for my family's support and love, which keeps me motivated and happy. After dinner, I do something fun before bed. I might read, watch TV, or play games. These activities help me relax and get ready for sleep. It's a nice way to end the day before going to bed. Before going to sleep, I reflect on my day and think about my goals. I make a mental note of what I have accomplished and what I need to work on for the next day. I also think about the things I am grateful for and say a little prayer. Then, I close my eyes and drift off to sleep, ready to start a new day tomorrow. My daily routine as a student may seem normal and regular, but it's what helps me stay balanced and attentive. Each day brings opportunities for growth and learning, even in the smallest moments. By following this routine, I am able to manage my time efficiently and achieve my academic and personal goals. It may not always be easy, but it is definitely worth it as I see myself grow and improve every day. As a student, my daily routine is my secret weapon to success, and I wouldn't have it any other way.